Hello everyone, welcome back to RealTalk English Lab. My name is Daniel, and today we have a very special lesson for you. We will learn basic English step by step in a slow and easy way. And my friend Emma is here with me. Hello, Emma.
Hi, Daniel. Hi, everyone. I am happy to be here. I'm ready to learn.
Wonderful. Today we will learn many useful English words. We will learn greetings, numbers, days of the week, common objects, food and drinks, and daily activities. And at the end, we will do a little review.
Wow, that sounds great.
Yes, it will be fun. And remember, if you are listening, you can practice with us. When I say, repeat after me, you can speak too.
Yes, speak with us. Don't be shy.
Exactly. Okay, let's start. Let's begin with greetings. Greetings are the words we use to say hello, hi, and how are you? Simple things, but very important.
Yes, greetings are the first things we say to people.
That's right. So let's start. Listen to me first. Hello.
Hello.
Great. Now you, listening at home, repeat after me. Hello. Good. Now another one. Hi.
Hi.
And listeners, your turn. Say hi. Nice job. Now let's try good morning.
Good morning.
Listeners, say it too. Now let's try good afternoon
Good afternoon.
and good evening.
Good evening.
Excellent. Now, let's put them into small conversations. Very simple conversations. Repeat after me. Hello. How are you?
How are you?
And the answer, I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Listeners, your turn. Good. Let's try another. Hi. Nice to meet you.
And the answer is nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Wonderful. That was greetings. Now let's learn numbers. Numbers are very important in English. We use them every day for money, time, age, shopping, everything.
Yes, numbers help in daily life.
Let's start with numbers 1 to 5. I will say them slowly. Emma, you repeat, and you, listening, repeat with her. Ready? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
Great. Let's say them together again. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Listeners, your turn. Perfect. Now let's use numbers in small sentences. 2 apples.
2 apples.
5 books.
5 books.
10 friends.
10 friends.
Good. That is numbers.
Now, let's learn the days of the week. There are 7 days. Listen first. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
They sound nice, but a little difficult.
It's okay. We will learn slowly. Repeat after me. Monday.
Monday.
Listeners, say Monday. Good. Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Friday.
Saturday.
Saturday.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Listeners, now you say all the days, one by one. Take your time. Excellent. Let's use them in short sentences. Today is Monday.
Today is Monday.
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
I like Friday.
I like Friday.
Good. Days of the week complete. Now we move to common objects, things we see every day. Simple objects. Repeat after me. Book,
Book.
pen,
Pen.
bag.
Bag.
Great. Now some short sentences. I have a book.
I have a book.
This is a pen.
This is a pen.
The bag is big.
The bag is big.
The phone is new.
The phone is new.
Listeners, try saying these sentences now. Key,
Key.
wallet,
Wallet.
laptop.
Laptop.
Nice. Now let's try a little story. This is my bag. In my bag, I have a book. I have a pen. I have my phone. And I have my keys.
This is my bag. In my bag, I have a book. I have a pen. I have my phone. And I have my keys.
Very good reading. Listeners, you can repeat the story too.
Excellent. Now let's learn about food and drinks. Everybody loves food.
Yes, I love food.
Me too. Let's begin. Repeat after me. Apple,
Apple.
banana,
Banana.
rice,
Rice.
chicken.
Chicken.
Now drinks. Water,
Water.
tea.
Tea.
Great. Now some short sentences. I like apples.
I like apple.
I drink water.
I drink water.
She eats rice.
She eats rice.
He drinks tea.
He drinks tea.
Wonderful. Now we make a mini conversation. What do you like to eat?
I like bread.
Listeners, answer 2. What do you like to eat? Nice. Let's try drinks. What do you like to drink?
I like juice.
Perfect.
Now let's learn daily activities. Simple actions we do every day. Repeat after me. Wake up.
Wake up.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Go to work.
Come home.
Come home.
Very good. Let's make easy sentences. I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Let's try a full, simple daily routine. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I eat dinner. I sleep.
I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I come home. I eat dinner. I sleep.
Excellent. Listeners, try saying the whole routine.
Now we will review all the things we learned today. A small summary. First, we learned greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, how are you?
Hello. Hi. Good morning. How are you?
Good. Then we learned numbers, 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes. Then we learned days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Perfect. Then we learned common objects. Book, pen, bag, phone, chair, table.
Book, pen, bag, phone, chair, table.
Good. Then we learned food and drinks. Apple, banana, rice, water, juice.
Apple, banana, rice, water, juice.
And finally, daily activities. Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work.
Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work.
Fantastic, Emma. You did very well.
Thank you, Daniel. This was fun.
And you listening, you also did a great job. Keep practicing, keep repeating the words, and you will learn fast.
Yes, practice makes you better.
Thank you for joining us today. We will see you again in the next episode of Real Talk English Lab. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.